Hi, I'm Gavin, Hometime's Business Development Manager in Sydney. The Northern Beaches is one of Sydney's most sought-after short-term rental markets. People come in for the beaches, the coastal lifestyle, and the relaxed pace that makes this part of Sydney so unique. And that demand creates a real opportunity for property owners. Northern Beaches properties achieve an average daily rate of $661, with peak summer rates climbing to almost $900 a night. When I speak with owners, my goal is to provide clear advice and help them understand the full earning potential of their property. At Hometime, you're supported by experienced local hosts, Jenny, Calyn and Usha, who know the Northern Beaches market inside and out. They're backed by a national team that manages everything from pricing and bookings to cleaning, maintenance, and guest communications. That means you can enjoy the benefits of short-term rental income without the day-to-day work. If you'd like to understand what your Northern Beaches property could be earning, I'd love to help. Get in touch and let's have a conversation about what's possible.